Welcome back, everyone, and for those who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Saba and this is Savoring with Saba, where we're talking all things food. And guys, Christmas time is here. Christmas time is here. Christmas time is here. If you can't tell, Christmas is one of my favorite times of year. And guys, guess what? I am doing a Christmas giveaway. Yes, from now until the end of the month, you have a chance to win some amazing Christmas gifts from yours truly. So be sure to watch to the end of this video to get more information on the giveaway. And y'all, because Christmas is coming, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite holiday recipes with you every week this month to get you ready for the season. And we're kicking it off with my favorite appetizer or side for a Christmas dinner, and it's Brussels sprouts with pancetta. So let's jump right into today's video. The ingredients you need for today's recipe are Brussels sprouts, pancetta, olive oil, garlic powder, sea salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and Parmesan cheese. Brussels sprouts have been getting a lot of attention these past few years and a lot of love, and I am personally here for it. It's one of my favorite vegetables because it's so easy to work with and super versatile. You can roast it, you can shake it, you could bake it, you could fry it, you could dye it. You could do just about anything with Brussels sprouts and it would still be amazing. Also, I decided to whip out my Kasori air fryer and we're gonna air fry these bad boys. But don't worry, if you're thinking, great Saba, I don't have an air fryer so I can't do this recipe, you're wrong. I am going to leave instructions on how to oven bake this recipe on my website, savoringwithsaba.com. And for those who are new to the channel, I like to walk you step by step through the cooking process. So if you're kitchen challenged, aka you struggle real bad in the kitchen, your girl's got you. Okay, so the first step that you want to do is wash your Brussels sprouts. And then you want to dry them with a paper towel and then cut off the stems and cut them in half. This is what mine look like and how yours should turn out too. Now the fun part, we're going to add all the ingredients together, and honestly it's just literally mixing them all together and then letting them marinate. Doesn't get any simpler than that. So I have my pancetta. Yes, y'all, it's a pancetta, not pancetta, not pancetta. And I say that because I remember one of the first times I said this word out loud and I said pancetta and I was quickly corrected. So I want to spare you any embarrassment you may have if you say this incorrectly in public. So it's pancetta and it's Italian, okay? So we're gonna go with it. So I am actually cheating because I like to cook. I don't want to be in the kitchen all day. I want to be in and out of the kitchen. So I actually get the pre-packaged pancetta. It all tastes the same, but if you want to get actual pancetta and cut it up, that works too. The one thing I will say about some of these pre-sliced or cubed pancetta pieces is like the size of these are so small that sometimes they get stuck in the basket of my air fryer. But other than that, it takes all the work out of having to cut and slice and dice the pancetta. So I'm here for it, okay? I'm here for it. So now we gotta add some flavor, okay? Because what's the point of cooking if it's not gonna be good? So we're gonna take garlic powder. Y'all, I love some garlic powder. It adds that kick and it's super delicious with this recipe. Those red pepper flakes. One, because I love a colorful plate. I feel like everyone's plate should be full of color, and that pop of red / orange will really make this recipe pop, and it adds that additional like slight heat to it because I don't do heat, but like a nice little kick spice to it. So I enjoy that. So you know, we're gonna go in with the red pepper flakes. It is always a battle with me and this stupid like thingy. It's hard to get all the flakes out. And last but not least, some good old sea salt. I'm gonna add that. Now we are going to take our olive oil, and this is what's gonna make everything gel together. It's gonna just be so beautiful as it marinates. The flavors are really gonna seep into the pancetta and the Brussels sprouts. So I poured some in, and I'm going to use the best utensils I can have in the kitchen, my hands, and I'm just going to mix all of this together And I always say this, if you've been watching for a while, don't be afraid of a little mess, okay? Because you have a sink in the kitchen and you can wash your hands. So, I mean, I like to do this with my hands, but if you are particular, go ahead and use a spoon. Guys, it is smelling so good. I wish you could smell this. I can smell the pepper, the garlic powder, the pancetta smells so amazing, y'all. I can't wait to eat this. Sorry, I'm in such a good mood today. I'm like singing and dancing. I woke up on the right side of the bed today, y'all. Done mixing all of the ingredients together, so this is what it's looking like. So yours should be very similar to mine. And now I'm gonna let these sit for a couple minutes while I let my air fryer preheat. The air fryer's done preheating. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with me. The air fryer's done preheating, so I just want to show you what it will look like. Oh, it's hot, hot, hot. So, what I was talking about. Sometimes if the pancetta is cut too small, it will get stuck inside the grooves or the holes of your air fryer's basket, so just be mindful of that. Add the mixture right in. So I'm just gonna dump it in. Do you hear that? Do you hear the sizzle? This is what it looks like. Woo. So excited, y'all. And I'm gonna pop these in the air fryer at a time. Let me know if you have an air fryer. Give me a thumbs up for this video if you do. What's the brand that you have? And have you been using it like I have? I'll be right back when we're halfway through to shake it up. Alright, y'all, so we are at the halfway mark. So I have to take out the basket. This is what it looks like. Do you hear the sizzle, y'all? We're shaking and baking, and I have to now shake this basket a little bit. Woo! Just get all the mixture in there to mix and do its thing. That was enough. Woo! Ow, that was hot. That was the oil. That was the oil and that was hot. So I'm done mixing this and shaking this basket. I'm gonna put it right back in and then let it start again. All right, savers, the Brussels sprouts are done. So let me put my mitten on because I don't want to get burned. Ooh, It's crispy, y'all, just the way Mama likes it. It's smelling so good. So what I'm gonna do now is let it sit and rest for a little bit. I'll transfer this into a bowl and we're done, y'all. Like, this is basically it. I want to put some grated Parmesan cheese on it, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some, because if you've been watching for a while, you know I love an ooey gooey situation. I love cheese, and this is just a perfect topping for our Brussels sprout pancetta recipe. And I'm gonna eat, y'all, because I can't. I'm so hungry. This is why I love this thing. Shout out to Kasoi for making an amazing air fryer. It gives me just the right amount of crispy. It tastes like the red pepper flakes and the garlic powder, but there's like this underlying sweetness. No. This is perfect for Christmas dinner. All right, guys, the time that you've been waiting for, the giveaway announcement. Drum roll. I am giving away a 2021 Airvista planner and a 1-month subscription to Advanced Magazine, y'all.
The Airvista Planner is an all-encompassing organizer that includes tips on fiscal responsibility, personal empowerment, spiritual well-being, and inspiration to help you be the best version of yourself. It comes in beautiful Ankara prints in a protective case. Advanced Magazine is an online-based magazine tailored to ambitious women ages 16 and up. It aims to inspire women of all ages and walks of life to advance in every aspect of life and brings fresh content regarding current events, body positivity, music, and entertainment.
I have a copy of the 2021 Vista edition, and this is the Inspire collection. Y'all look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. The detail, the gold foiling, and yes, it comes in this beautiful protective blue hardcover case. Guys, you pull it out. Ooh, look at this beauty. You can get a copy of this beautiful blue Ankara print 2021 planner. Let me place to write your vision statement. I'm hoping my camera will pick this up. Will it pick it up? You can't see how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm super excited for whoever wins this beautiful blue Ankara print. And guess what? It has a camouflage pocket at the back. How amazingly functional and adorable is that? Check out the description below to see how you can qualify for this amazing planner and a 1-month subscription to Advanced. And we're done, y'all. I said this was going to be a super simple recipe, so go to my website savoringwithsaba.com to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions. And don't forget about this week's giveaway. Again, the instructions and details are below, so good luck to all those who are entering. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. As always, stay safe and happy savoring.